Okay, students, now we discuss about resistivity. What is this? Okay, then actually we know about the resistance. Then, okay, I have already explained. So the resistance is what? The symbol of resistance is R. Okay, then this resistance of any conductor depends upon, okay, what? Already I have explained resistance and you know about the resistance. Then resistance of the conductor, any conductor depends upon what? R is proportional to length. It means what? R is directly proportional to length. It means what? If you will increase the length of the conducting wire, okay, then its resistance will be double, increased. Okay, if you increase the length of the conducting wire, then resistance will be increased. Let us take the example. Suppose this is the resistance of chain. Length of this one is suppose 1 meter. Then if we take a conductor of the same material is of 2 meter, then its resistance will be double. Length is double. Okay, 2 मीटर का वायर है, वही वायर है सेम मटेरियल का, तो क्या होता है कि आपका जो रेजिस्टेंस, अगर लेंथ क्या हो गया, डबल हो गया, तो रेजिस्टेंस भी क्या हो जाएगा, डबल हो जाएगा, 10 से 20 ओम. ओके, then second one is what? That is resistance depend upon 1 by A. आपका ये जो वायर है, okay, if your wire is like this, then this is the cross sectional area. Then if you increase the cross sectional area, then resistance will be decrease. मतलब अगर हम जितना मोटा वायर ले रहे हैं उससे उसका थिकनेस डबल कर दें, है ना, तो एरिया आपका क्या हो जाएगा, 4 टाइम्स हो जाएगा, पाई आर स्क्वायर. तो आपका उसका रेजिस्टेंस कितना हो जाएगा, 1 हो जाएगा. ओके, इट मीन्स आर डिपेंड्स अपॉन 1 by A, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एरिया. ओके, resistance is proportional 1 to area. Then we combine this 1 and 2, then the R is proportional to L by A, or R is equal to rho L by A. Okay, then this rho is what? Rho is known as proportionality constant. Rho is what? Rho is known as proportionality constant. Proportionality constant. Okay, proportionality constant. Proportionality constant. Rho is known as proportionality constant, and this the value of rho is constant for the same material, and the value of this is known as what? A specific resistance. A specific resistance. Rho is known as a specific resistance or resistivity. Okay, resistivity. And this is rho will have the constant value. Suppose we talk about सिल्वर रो Ag. सिल्वर का आपका कितना होता है, 1.6 इंटू 10 टू दी पावर -8. यूनिट आपको बताते हैं. रो कॉपर इज 1.7 इंटू 10 टू दी पावर -8. यूनिट आप अपने कैलकुलेट करके बता रहे हैं. क्लियर है? व्हाट इज एक्चुअली व्हाट वी हैव ऑलरेडी नो, resistance of any conductor depends upon length as well as thickness or area. If length is increased, resistance is increased. It means directly proportional. Area is inversely proportional to the resistance. It means if thickness is increased, then resistance will be decreased. Okay? Then if we combine these two things, R is proportional to L by A, then R equal to rho L by A. This rho is a proportionality constant which is known as a specific resistance or resistivity. Value of every resistance is a specific resistance for the same material is constant. हर मटेरियल का अपना अपना एक फिक्स वैल्यू होता है, कांस्टेंट वैल्यू होता है. एज फॉर एग्जांपल, रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ सिल्वर इज 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. Resistivity of copper is 1.7 into 10 to the power 8. Now let us talk about its unit. At first define it. Then what is this? If we take length of the conductor is 1 meter. If length of the conductor is 1 meter and cross sectional area is equal to 1 square meter, then R will be what? Rho into 1 by 1, that is rho. Then what is resistivity? Resistivity is the resistance of any conductor having length 1 meter and area क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया 1 स्क्वायर मीटर. ओके, एक ऐसा कंडक्टर जिसका लेंथ कितना हो 1 मीटर हो, क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया कितना हो 1 स्क्वायर मीटर हो, तो ये रेजिस्टिविटी क्या होगा, जितना इसका रेजिस्टेंस होगा वही इसका रेजिस्टिविटी. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द यूनिट ऑफ दिस वन. देन व्हाट यूनिट ऑफ रेजिस्टिविटी? देन व्हाट वी हैव सीन, R equal to rho L by A, and rho is what? That is R into A by L. Okay. Then R is what? That is ohm. Area is what? That is meter square. And length, unit of length is what? That is meter. This is cancelled now. Then its unit is what? Ohm meter. This value is what? Ohm meter. Okay. यही इसी कारण से आप लोग को डायरेक्ट हम यूनिट लगेगा आपको कि डाटा है, आप समझ लीजिए. ओके, देन दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज ओम मीटर. रेजिस्टिविटी ऑफ सिल्वर इज 1.6, दैट इज मिनिमम. सिल्वर का क्या होता है? रेजिस्टिविटी मिनिमम होता है, और इसका कंडक्टिविटी जो रेसिप्रोकल है, कंडक्टिविटी, दिस इज नोन एज कंडक्टिविटी. Conductivity is equal to rho, sigma is equal to 1 by rho. So what we see? If the resistivity is more, then conductivity is less. If rho is less, then conductivity will be more. Then resistivity of silver is minimum compared to other materials. Then conductivity of silver will be maximum. Okay.